Pakistan is without a doubt one of the most beautiful countries I've ever visited. After spending the first few days of my trip in Lahore, we made the long trip up to the Gilgit region in northern Pakistan. The goal of the day? Make it up to Fairy Meadows. How are we going to get there though? Yeah, that's the scary part. In order to make it up to Fairy Meadows, you need to take a jeep ride along the second most dangerous road in the world. You then need to hike a further 2 hours to make it to the campsites located at Fairy Meadows. This day was an adventure to say the least, and one I'll certainly never forget. Let's take it back to the start of the day where we begin our journey to the second most dangerous road in the world.
Good morning everyone, I'm now here in the Batakundi region in northern Pakistan after taking a 14-hour journey from Islamabad yesterday, and today we've packed for 2 days of hiking. We're heading to the Fairy Meadows, and then tomorrow is the big trek, a trek to a base camp of a very famous mountain here in Pakistan, the 9th tallest in the world, just to the base camp, not to the summit. It's going to be a challenge, it's going to be very exciting, so let's go start the day. So the first stop of the day before we go exploring is breakfast. I'm just going to head there now, hoping to get some plain toast, something small. So this is the Batakundi region where we have stayed, just for the last night, staying in this accommodation behind us. Really nice, basically very basic, simple accommodation, but just what we have needed. Just had my breakfast and we're about to set off. It's an hour-and-a-half drive to the 4x4s, and then an hour-and-a-half in the 4x4s, and then we start our 3-hour trek. So yeah, excited, a little bit apprehensive. I haven't done too much hiking before, so this day and tomorrow in particular is going to be probably a bit of a challenge, but yeah, one that I'm really looking forward to. Now I've just got a brief pit stop because there's a massive boulder in the way. Very common here in Pakistan apparently, so we've just come outside the bus to take some photos and videos. Take a look at this view, it's absolutely amazing.
Ready. Fee! Fee! FIFA! 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 Vista! Vista! Come la vista! Come la vista! Woo! Smile! Woo! This is so cool. We have made it. We survived the jeep journey. This is a little bit wobbly, but we've made it. We survived the jeep journey, and now we're about to start our 3-hour trek up to our camp for the night before our attempts to base camp tomorrow. Carry it all the way. It's worth it.
Oh, horsies! Goodbye! I feel like me hiking a volcano in Bali last year is like the closest I've ever come to this. And that was hard. You alright? Yeah? Yeah, alright. Bit tired. Already?
Just like
it is warm, isn't it? Ooh. Hello. Keeping things steady. I am pretty exhausted already. About half an hour in, so that's a good sign. I've had a bit of downhill here which is much appreciated. And we're just about to stop for some chips, noodles and chai, which should hopefully give me a little bit of energy. Okay, so quick update. We're probably maybe a third of the way through. We are yet to reach the chai and chips area. I thought just back there that was our spot, but it wasn't. So a little bit further to go. This is definitely a step a little bit outside my comfort zone. I've never really done early hikes anywhere in the world, even in the UK where we've got quite a few notable ones such as Scarfell Pike, Snowdon. So this is, yeah, challenging but very enjoyable, and at the end of it I'll be so glad that I did it. Made it to the Midway Hotel. Thank goodness, I could not have gone another metre without this break. Whew. Thank you so much. Lunch is so thank you. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Very happy.
I don't know why. I read an article about it. If you keep it on yellow like 24/7, it actually like
Some lunchtime entertainment. Right, I really hope my shoes are waterproof. There's a lot of water coming up. Waterproof. Fab. So it's just started to rain. So I have my poncho on, got my camera underneath. I got it covering my rucksack. We're about 25 minutes out, so it's not far to go. This is a big achievement for me, honestly. I find hiking so hard. I'm very tired. I'm out of breath. I ate too much for lunch as well, but it's okay. We're almost there. Got to keep going, and then we'll make it to Fairy Meadows.
No. Just seeing all the photos that people have taken.
Woohoo, let's go. We made it. Thank God. And we have made it to the campsite. How are you feeling? Good? Achieved it? Happy?
Happy.
Tired?
Happy that we finally made it.
Oh man, what a day. What a day. This is so cute. It's like our own little mini house.
It is. Shall we go inside?
Let's go inside. Little house tour. Hey MTV, welcome to my crib. Oh wow, super cute.
Yeah,
Very nice. Just a bit of B-roll. So we're all in our cabins, lodges. It is honestly, I've not stayed in many more beautiful places than this. It is truly stunning, breathtaking. Yeah, like I said, we're going to be going for a little walk around the village, to the tuck shop, get some snacks in preparation for our hike, our climb to base camp tomorrow. Yeah, I really want to do it. I'm super stubborn. I really want to do it, but physically I'm not sure. I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to give it my best shot, but yeah, today was tough, so tomorrow's going to be even tougher, which is why I'm a little bit like, not sure, but yeah, I'll give it my best shot.
Oh, that's not as scary as it looks. Okay. One. Oh, okay, go.
This is fun.
One's on the left.
Sorry.
Well, the coconut biscuits.
Could I get 2 bottles, please? And also the biscuits.
Biscuit.
Digestive?
This one.
No, the digestive.
Those, yeah. Okay, so I've just got back to my cabin after spending the sunset, just exploring the village. We've got some snacks for tomorrow, because tomorrow is going to be a big day. I'm going to really try my best to attempt to get to the base camp of the 9th tallest mountain in the world. I can't quite remember the name of it, so I'll put it on the screen now. But yeah, all the preparation I guess is done. We've got the snacks ready. I'm going to pack my bag now, ready for the morning. I guess we've got up to here, you know, now at Fairy Meadows, so that's an achievement in itself. So I'm going to try my best tomorrow. Well, I won't be too disappointed if I can't make it, but I'm going to give it a really good go. But we're just going to have some dinner this evening and then catch an early night. So I'm going to end the video there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video, which is my attempt at climbing to the base camp of the 9th tallest mountain in the world.